How do you zip a file in Visual Studio? So Microsoft Visual Studio does not have a built-in way to zip files. So you would normally right-click on your project or solution and then click on Open in File Explorer. And now it should open up the directory where your project exists. And now you want to look for the file that you want to zip. So for example, myfile.json. And in that directory, you should find the file, which is this one, and right click on it. And then you can either use 7-zip or WinRAR to zip it up. So for example, if you go to 7-zip, you can click on add to archive, or you can click on add to my file zip to name it automatically. And it should add and compress the file into a zip. And another option is to right click on the file and then click on add to archive using WinRAR, and then select zip here and click on OK, and it should add it to a zip file. And keep in mind that will require you to have WinRAR installed or 7-zip, one of them. You can also use both if you want to. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.